how to find your school time settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your school time settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click on your profile and click edit. Here you will find more information, and click on your school and click edit, and here you will find time. Just click on it, and as you see you can change it, and then just click confirm and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.